My name is Perry Backus, and I'm the CEO of Carbon Loop. Alongside my co-founders Harrison Meyer and Connor Rooney, we are a CO2 electrolysis company with the first known catalyst that can produce methanol in an electrolyzer. At scale, our reactor represents the maritime industry's most promising pathway to decarbonize fuel. CO2 electrolysis is so promising because it is inherently scalable. The modular systems can be stacked as big or as small as needed, and it's easily integrated into existing supply chains. Companies like 12 and CERT have proven that CO2 electrolysis can be a profitable business model, and recent incentives around the world have driven down the cost of electrolysis by 70%, with another 70% cost reduction projected by 2030. This steep cost curve will bring CO2 electrolysis to and beyond cost parity with incumbent fuels. Other ways of making green methanol are significantly more capital intensive and have lower process efficiencies. Even though some have achieved economies of scale, they will maintain higher cost of fuel in the long term. Till recently, no one could make methanol through CO2 electrolysis. Connor and his colleagues at Yale University's Energy Science Institute proved 4 years ago that this process was even possible, and just 2 weeks ago, published another paper demonstrating that this reaction has been so improved that it's ready for commercial application. The maritime industry has largely decided that green methanol is their fuel of the future, with Maersk, Costco, Hapag-Lloyd, Evergreen, and others spending billions of dollars to upgrade their fleets to run on dual-fuel methanol engines. To decarbonize maritime fuel, we need scalable and cost-effective green methanol. Carbon Loop is the only technology in the world that can do this reaction. We've built a reactor, and it demonstrates that this lab work can be replicated in a manufacturable way. Partnership with Technip Energies would be catalytic to our team. Not only will we be able to use the money to build a commercially relevant reactor and put it on site out in the field, but we could learn from your expertise in plant integration, gas handling, and liquid chemical handling and best practices. Our partnership would bring our technology from TRL 4 to 5 and would help us to prove to the maritime, aviation, petrochemical industries, and ultimately the world that our technology is ready to meet its decarbonization needs. Thank you so much for listening. I greatly appreciate this opportunity and this chance to pitch.